This video is part of a series to teach you the basic spreadsheet skills. In this video, you will learn how to sort data. We can sort by columns or rows in ascending or descending order. If on the ribbon you click on the Home tab, you hover over where it says Sort and Filter, a message will come up explaining what it does. Click the down arrow and you can sort from A to Z, or Z to A, or even a custom sort. As an example, I'm going to click in the surname column, and then I'm going to choose from the Sort and Filter menu, I'm going to choose A to Z. And at the moment you can see Campbell is at the top. When I click A to Z, it changes to Allen. So now all the surnames are in alphabetical order. Notice the student numbers, which were in order previously, have now appeared to be mixed up. It's because we have sorted on surname from A to Z. If you want to go back to where you were originally, you can just select the undo button and it would undo the last action you did. And now we've got them all in student number order and Campbell is back at the top. Using the same method, I can also sort them so that's from Z to A. So again, I've clicked into the surname column, Sort and Filter button, and choose Z to A. Campbell is currently at the top. When I click the button, now we have Young at the top. And once again, the surnames, all the data along each row has been sorted along with the surname column. Just take note, this is not changing any of the data. It is staying exactly as it is. We are just reordering them, sorting them based on our criteria. In this case, Z to A on surname column. With a custom sort, at the moment, I have one column there that has actually had conditional formatting applied. As you see, the cells are either green or white with no colour, basically. So again, the Sort and Filter, I choose Custom Sort, and now I will get some options. So I want to sort by Weapons Test, because that's where I've got the conditional formatting in. So I click the down arrow, choose the Weapons Test. Then here I will select cell color. In here it will give me the option of the cell colors I have. In this case I want green, because you can have multiple colors. And at the moment I've got it set to top, and I can change that to bottom if I wanted to. So the reverse order. Then when I press OK, it's now sorted based on the conditional formatting applied to those cells. If I go back to the custom sort, you'll see got all these different options, so I can again sort on any one of the column headings and change the type of sort I want. So for instance, if I choose gender, I can choose the values, A to Z. Other options, I could customize the list specifically on the last one. If I leave it A to Z, press OK, then now all the females are all now in order. It's just to show you the data hasn't changed. When I slow down to the bottom, you'll see there are all the males. So all the females and males are separated. For most situations, all you will need to do realistically is use smallest to largest if it's numbers, or if I go into column, as I did earlier on with names, I'll notice the filter says A to Z. Most of the time, these are the ones you're going to use. If you want something more sophisticated, the custom sort will allow you to do a little bit more. If this video has helped you, click the thumbs up button, or even subscribe to know when I upload even more videos.